it's Elaine from Clear Mountain. Just my turn to do the little top tips for today. So today I'm going to concentrate on looking at how to start your decluttering project. And there are a few key points that you might want to consider before starting your project. Point number one might be that you choose an area that is an achievable area for you to start at. And by that I mean somewhere where you can see big results in a small space of time. And on the time factor thing, there are some of my clients who like to use a timer when they do their decluttering project. And that way it keeps them self-focused, and it means that you don't have as many distractions around you, and you know you're only there for a key number of minutes, etc. That might be 10 minutes, that might be 20 minutes, that might be 30 minutes, just whatever is suited to you. The next thing I'd like to talk about is that you look at gathering yourself some equipment to start your decluttering project. And by that I mean that when I work with clients, sometimes I take boxes, and what we do is we separate the items into these boxes. And so there are categories, and these categories might be donate, recycle, bin, keep, or clothes is another one that sometimes I use. And that way it gives us a place to sort to, and then you would revisit the boxes to see if that's exactly what you want to do with the items that you've placed in the various categories. Now you might not have the space to use boxes. Sometimes I use bags, and sometimes I use different coloured bags, because this is a really easy way to keep control of what's going where. So for example, I would use a black bag for things going to the bin. I would use a green bag for things that I'm going to donate. I would use blue bags for paper, and I would use clear bags for clothes and things like that are going to the charity shop, etc. as well. And that way we don't get them mixed up when we're actually finally taking them out of the house. We don't want to be giving the black bag with the rubbish into the charity shop, etc., because these guys don't want our rubbish. So this is a really easy way to keep things under control. Now the other thing is by setting a timer to do the decluttering in the time scale that you want to do it in, once you've chosen that time scale. And as I said, some people like to use a timer to do that, and some people like to use a set of songs and music, etc. And this is just an easy way to control how long you are focusing your attention on that area. Now, on talking about focusing on that area, if you're someone who feels you get distracted by the things around you, then it might be a good idea for you to take an old sheet or something like that, a blanket, and pop it over some of the other areas, so that you're visually you're not seeing these areas and you're not being distracted in the time scale that you've decided to do your project on. The key is bite-sized chunks and achievable areas that you can see a result in, because this is what will give you the energy or motivation for you to take on the bigger projects further on down the line in the house. So if you want to have a go, that would be a great idea. Why don't you pop a little bit on the chat how you've got on, and let us know how you've got on there, and remember to subscribe to our channel, and we'll hope to see you in a few weeks' time after we've done our course live on Clutter Talk Live. Thanks for watching.